my dear students, welcome back to the English class. So today we are going to learn the poem of Sarojini Naidu, that is Queen Bears. The poem which is written by Sarojini Naidu, that is the Palanquin Bears. As you can see, Palanquin Bears is your 12th poem of your English subject, and it is written by the very famous great Indian author, poet, activist, political activist. She wrote this poem. About Sarojini Naidu, we have studied in the previous video very briefly and clearly. Right, my dear children? So now, what we are going to do? We are going to study about what she is going to tell in this poem. How she explains the palanquin bearers. Okay, who are palanquin bearers and why do they do their job? Let us study about this in the poem. Before going to the poem, there are few important words which will appear in this poem that you have to understand first. Sway, moving from one side to the other. Moving from one side to the other side is called as sway. Okay, it is a poetic use, English literature use. Okay, skim, glide smoothly over something. Glide smoothly, move smoothly. Okay, foam, small bubbles. Small bubbles which are produced from water are called as foam. Okay, gaily. Here in this poem, gaily in the sense happily. Okay, now dew, condensed drops of water. Condensed drops. For example, in the winter season, morning, early morning, you will see the small drops on the leaves or some of your items like a bike or a car. Small drops of water will be there. That are condensed drops of water. Okay, that is dew. Beam, ray of light. Yes, sunbeam or a sharp ray of light is called as beam. Brow, common use, it is hydro, but here in this poem it is top of the water level. Okay, my dear students. Glide, move. I said already, glide in the sense move. Okay, now we will go to the poem. Before going to the poem, there is a pre-reading activity. Let us see what is the pre-reading activity. In the present days, bride in India are taken in decorated car, where the royal brides in the ancient days taken around. Yes, Sarojini Naidu here, she is telling about how the brides are taken. Yes, nowadays the brides, the newly married couple, what they will do? They will go in a decorated car, right? A wonderful decorated car by taking their brides. But in olden days, in ancient days, what would have happened? How the brides would carry? Yes, from one place to another, that too to a long journey. Right, my dear children? So, she is asking you a question. Today, we are taking the brides in the decorated cars. But in ancient days, there were no vehicles. How the brides would be carried? Okay? Who do you think took the privilege to escort the bride? Who took this privilege, escort the bride from one place to another? Who are those people? And why do they do this job? We will see in this poem. Okay? How are deities in the temple taken in a procession during the festivals? Yes, nowadays also deities in the sense God and goddesses, those who are taken in the palanquins itself, right? On the image you can see the palanquin. Yes, how the deities, the god, the goddesses, before inaugurating in the temple, they are taken to the temple, right? In palanquins itself. Okay? So let us enjoy the poem. See, she is telling read and enjoy the poem. So first we will read the poem and then we will enjoy the poem. Okay? Lightly, oh lightly, we bear her along. She sways like a flower in the wind of our song. She skims like a bird on the foam of a stream. She floats like a laugh from the lips of a dream. Gaily, oh gaily, we glide and we sing. We bear her along like a pearl on a string. Softly, oh softly, we bear her along. She hangs like a star in the dew of our song. She springs like a beam on the brow of the tide. She falls like a tear from the eyes of a bride. Lightly, oh lightly, we glide and we sing. We bear her along like a pearl on a string. Yes, this is the poem of Sarojini Naidu. Okay, let us see how she is explaining this. Lightly, oh lightly, we bear her along. She sways like a flower in the wind of our song. The first two lines, what Sarojini Naidu is explaining here. This poem is nothing but the palanquin bearers. Palanquin bearers in the sense those who carry the palanquin. Okay, those who carry the palanquin, the people. Okay, they are singing this song, my dear students. Yes, they themselves are singing this song and they are happy to do that job. Okay, in this song, the palanquin bearers explain the bride. How they are going to explain? That she is very light. When they carry the bride, they don't feel weight at all. She is very light. Lightly, oh lightly, we bear her along. Lightly, very lightly, we bear her, we carry her with us. Along in the sense, with us. She sways like a flower in the wind of a song. I said the meaning of sway, move from one side to other. Yes, she sways, she just move from one side to another in the wind of the song of the palanquin bearers. Like how a flower move when the wind appears. Just it will move and it will be stable, right? That is called as swaying. Okay, it doesn't move completely from one place to another. Just moving at that particular place. Okay. She skims like a bird on the foam of a stream. Skim in the sense, glide smoothly on something. Yes, she skim. How the bird will skim on the stream. You know the streams, right? Very small single line which will be flowing in the forest or some other mountain areas, that is called as stream. How the birds will move there? Without any noise, very smoothly, right? Like the bird, she will also skim. Okay, skim in the sense glide. Okay, she floats like a laugh from the lips of a dream. She floats like a laugh, like a lips of a dream. For example, you are sleeping or you have seen somebody else sleeping and they dream. They are dreaming, right? When they see a happy or a good dream, there will be a laugh or a smile on their face, right? Here, the palanquin bearers are comparing bride to that particular dream. She is so beautiful. She is so happy. Okay? Coming to the second para. Gaily, oh gaily, we glide and we sing. We bear her along like a pearl on a string. Yes. What the palanquin bearers are telling here? Gaily, oh gaily, we bear her along. Gaily, oh gaily, we glide and we sing. Gaily in the sense happily. Palanquin bearers are happy to glide and sing. Glide in the sense move Glide in the sense move. Palanquin bearers are carrying the bride and moving very smoothly that they should not hurt the bride. And we are singing also because the bride should not be bored and should not feel uncomfortable. Okay? We bear her along like a pearl on a string. How the palanquin bearers are carrying the bride like a pearl on a string, on a particular string. How the pearls are very safely reached to the jewelers. In that sense, the bride is compared to the pearl. She is so precious. She is so precious, so adorable, and she is the wonderful, precious bride which she has to reach to the groom's house. Okay? Softly, oh softly, we bear her along. She hangs like a star in the dew of our song. Yes. Softly, not only with the like a pearl, even very softly we are bearing her, we are carrying her, and we are making her to reach. Yes, and she hangs like a star in the dew of our song. Dew, condensed drop of water. Yes, she hangs like a dew. She adds like a dew to the palanquin bearer's song, my dear students here. How the palanquin bearers are very happy to carry the bride and they feel happy to do their job. Nobody is ready to do their particular job. So the palanquin bearers tells here, we are happy, we are gaily. Gaily means happily we are ready to carry the bride with same precautions. What are the precautions? They are carrying the bride like a pearl, like a precious pearl, diamond, and very softly they are carrying the bride. She hangs like a star in the dew of our song. Yes, I said this. She hangs like a star. How the stars are hanging at the night, she hangs like a dew of their song. Dew in the sense small drops of water or condensed drops of waters. Okay? She springs like a beam on the brow of the tide. She falls like a tear from the eyes of a bride. Yes, she springs like a beam. Beam, ray of light. She springs in the sense she gives us a very great spirit. Like a sharp beam of the sun ray. Whenever the sun rays fall on us, the human nature is that they will be very active and very much interest showing in their works. Like that, the palanquin bearers are comparing the bride to the beam, sun beam. Okay? And even they also say that on the brow of the tide, here top of the water, when the sunbeam falls on the top of the water, how beautiful the scene will be, right? Same in the sense, the sunbeam falls on the top of the water and it was very clearly to be seen the beautiful, wonderful things happening around the environment. Okay? She falls like a tear from the eyes of a bride. She falls like a tear. She falls her tears like a bride for another bride also. She falls like a tear for a bride. Lightly, oh lightly, we glide and we sing. We bear her along like a pearl on a string. Lightly, oh lightly, we glide and we sing. We bear her along like a pearl on a string. Yes, by saying this, the palanquin bearers end their song that we are very much happy to carry the bride. we very lightly carry the bride and very protectively we will make her to reach the groom's house. Lightly or lightly we bear her, we carry her along like a pearl on a string. Yes, very preciously like a pearl, diamond, they will carry them, they will take care of the bride and then they will make her to reach to the groom's house. Yes, I hope you have understood the poem, my dear students.